Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. I want to be direct with you today, Durham, and some of this will be hard to hear, but I want you to know that your actions can help turn things around. If you've been paying attention to COVID data, you know that the case growth is increasing rapidly. Across the country, including North Carolina, daily case totals have hit record highs since I last addressed you all. We are moving in the wrong direction. I want to be clear, this is not an illness that only affects the elderly, as many people have come to believe. In fact, the average age of new COVID cases has gotten younger, and the reason for this is clear. Unfortunately, many people have given in to COVID fatigue, stopped wearing masks, and going to more and more group gatherings. You may be sick of COVID, but COVID is not sick of killing you and your loved ones. Large, medium, and small gatherings are contributing significantly to case growth. Large events or religious services, parties, or even dinners at home with just a few friends invited are becoming more common. And all it takes is one COVID-infected guest at these gatherings to go on to infect several others. Even if you ask your guests to monitor how they are feeling before they attend your gathering, remember that it is possible to be sick and pass COVID to others, even if you feel well and don't know you are sick. I want to stress the fact that it's not possible to completely be safe if you choose to host or attend gatherings with others. It's simple, Durham. Our actions now can contribute to increased case growth, serious illness and loss of life, increased restrictions, or our choices can save lives. As the holiday season kicks off with Halloween on tomorrow, please remember that absolutely no party is worth the risk. When you think about going to that small group gathering or party, think about how you feel a few days later if you get a call that you were exposed to COVID at that party, or how you feel if you start feeling symptoms a few days later and your friends must be notified that they were close contacts. A close contact is anyone who was within 6 feet of a COVID case for an accumulation of 15 minutes within 24 hours, beginning 2 days before you start feeling sick or test positive. This means that you can be a close contact even if you were only near a COVID-infected friend for a few short minutes at a time, before they even knew they were sick. So please, please stay home. No one can beat this pandemic alone. Our health and safety and the health of our friends and family depend on all of us making safe choices. To those of you who have continued to follow safety measures since day one, we give you our sincerest thanks. We know that this has been extremely difficult, so we are proud of your hard work and your choices. We know that you have helped save lives. We are all exhausted of COVID, but giving up now will only make this pandemic last even longer and make things get even harder for every one of us. But by staying home, social distancing, and getting behind our masks, we will flatten the curve again. We can do this, Durham.